Mr. President, may I have a quick reaction to the manifestation of the gentleman?
The gentleman may do so if he so desires.
Mr. President, in the answer of the Solicitor General in behalf of the House of Representatives, there was already a categorical admission that the three initial complaints prior to the fourth one were dismissed because they were all archived. As I have said, archiving is not part of the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives, but they just did it. Palusot lamang po yun, Mr. President. Paano mo i-archive nang hindi mo susundin yung tatlong steps na sinasabi ng sarili nilang tuntunin? These are not baby steps. These are constitutional steps. At kanina po ipinakita yung slides na yung inclusion in the 10th session day is constitutional. The referral to an appropriate committee is constitutional. There was no referral to any committee. Ang ginawa po nila, tinransmit nila sa Senate without requiring themselves to observe another provision of their own rules. This is to refer to the Justice Committee, where the Vice President might probably be given at least a modicum of right to defend themselves. That is what we call due process. Wala po eh. Inakala po nila na kapag may 1/3 na or more, ay pwede na nilang huwag gamitin yung Section 2 ng kanilang rules. Hindi po nakalagay yun eh. So hindi na po kailangan na i-distingue pa natin yung adjournment and sine adjournment. Kasi inadmit na rin po na in-archive nila kahit na wala po sa tuntunin. Kanina sa manifestation, tinanong din po. Kung wala tayong jurisdiction, paano yung unang initial proceedings? Pwede po yung initial proceedings ninyo will be considered under the doctrine of operative facts. Hindi pa po na-declare na wala pang jurisdiction ang Senate at that time. Ngayon lang po nangyari. Kaya po yung ginawa ng Senate of the 19th Congress, tama pa rin po eh. Wala pa pong declaration noon. Kaya lang, ang kagaya po ng aking clarification na sinabi, all these initial proceedings conducted in the Senate of the 19th Congress were not officially transmitted to the 20th Congress, where I myself belong, a Congress of different composition. So yun po ngayon, naharap tayo ngayon sa issue na talagang tayo lamang po ang gagawa because there is no other agency of government that will execute that decision of the Supreme Court. Only the Senate. So may I go back to the first question, to the original motion, Mr. President?